Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment. If you are new here, please make sure that you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also please do not skip the ads, guys. I would really appreciate it if you just watch the ads. The channel is finally monetized. Now guys, Grootman is currently trending. There are a lot of people that are trending currently in South Africa, you know. One thing I can say about Umjolo is a scam, like it's a scam, it's a scam. I'm still coming with other videos, guys. You will see Umjolo is a scam. A lot of people are getting cheated on this week. A lot of people are getting dumped. People are experiencing fire kumjolo, you know, which shows wrong. So Grootman, as we all know, Grootman is Qinile's ex-boyfriend or baby daddy, if I should say. This guy got a new girlfriend and dumped Qinile. Now he has a new girlfriend and dumped the girl that replaced Qinile, which is Xoliswa. So Lady Londi posted on her Facebook page and wrote, Grootman dumps Xoliswa and launches his new girlfriend Masesi Malapane. One thing about Lady Londi and Umusa Kaula, guys, these people are always plugging us with the latest gossip. These people are always like, when it comes to Ngozi, they are never wrong. You know, they are always plugging us. And yes, Lady Londi is saying that Grootman dumped Xoliswa and launched his new girlfriend, Masesi Malapane. And another thing about this guy called Grootman, this person will get a new girlfriend and will not be afraid to post the new girlfriend. When he dumped Qinile, he got a new girlfriend, which was Xoliswa, the one that is getting dumped now. And he was posting her, like, you know, and I guess it's true when they say the same way that you got them is the same way that you are going to lose them, because this Xoliswa girl got Grootman from Qinile. Now they are snatching Grootman again. Grootman is getting snatched by another girl, you know. And I'm not saying that we are blaming the girls. Grootman is innocent in all of this. He is not innocent. But I'm just saying, Joguti, the same way that you got them is the same way that you will lose them, guys. It's crying. Guningi, you know, our relationship in Jawala, South Africa, something is wrong, guys. We need Brother Enigma to intervene now. It's too much. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. I will see you on my new video. I will post videos today like nobody's business, because guningi, guys, guningi this week, guningi, you know.